Want to learn how to flip a baseball hat? It's pretty easy. Couple things to keep in mind is it's about how you hold it and then how you throw it, okay? So starting off, how you hold it, first of all, this is a normal regular mill baseball cap, nothing special about it. How you hold it is you put your thumb in the middle here like this on the bottom, and then on the top you hold your fingers, two fingers together, your index and your middle finger together like this, and you kind of pinch it in the middle, okay? And when you flip it, you just want to flip it with your arm, not with your fingers. Leave your fingers in position and let it kind of fly off of your fingers like this, as opposed to you trying to flip it with your hand, okay? So what you want to do is get comfortable just flipping it in front of you like this. You're going to want to do this a few times, because when you do it, it's going to want to spin. And what you want to get used to is just comfortably having to flip back on you. And as you get better with this, you can flip it up higher, and eventually you can flip it up and it goes up on your head like that. From the side view, what you want to do is bring your thumb up this way and flip it up here. And as you can see, the arm comes up this way to flip it up here. And then you go up high enough, flips up on your head like that. Second way you can hold it, flip it, is when it's facing you. And instead of gripping it on the bottom with your thumb, you put your thumb on the top like this. And then you put your two fingers underneath here on opposing your thumb in the middle. And again, it's the same idea. You put you move your hand up this way here, and you flip it up with your arm coming up this way. And you want to have it kind of flip and land right back in your head. And eventually, you can flip it all the way up and it lands on your head. From a side view, you flip it, it goes on your head. One more point of notice, you may want to wear a stocking hat when you're doing this, because when the bill hits you on the head while you're practicing, it can be a little painful. If you like what you're seeing, this is Jared from Good Times Jared. Appreciate it if you like and subscribe. Otherwise, hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Bye.